What's going on, everyone? So this is an interesting video because I'm currently making a video right now where we're putting the front clip on this Travelall and we need body mounts to be able to mount it on here. So I had an idea for body mounts, and I know the chances of maybe someone who needed an idea for a body mount, if they're building a hot rod or something like that, finding my Travelall series project and watching through all of it and it helping them is kind of slim to none. So I thought, why don't I make a quick little video showing what I'm going to use, how I plan on modifying it, and maybe able to reach more people out there in the hot rod community and help somebody out. Now, this is not a body mount I've done before. I just had the idea with stuff I had in the shop. So let's get to it and I'll show you what I'm thinking. So here's what I have. This is a bushing for like building like a 4-link wishbone, any kind of link suspension. I keep a bag of these in my shop. I usually, if I build link suspension, I'll do one of these on one end and do adjustable on the other end. I usually don't just do fixed. So I have some of these. I've also used these for building like shackle hangers when I put S10 leaf springs on the back of a 41 to 46 Chevy before, and they come in handy for all kinds of suspension stuff. So as you see here, these two rubber pieces, they're actually not as thick as our sleeve here is. So I think we can mark it right in the middle. We're gonna make sure to mark it well, line it with tape, cut it where it's nice and even, and we have inner sleeve that we're going to cut down as well. We want to cut the inner sleeve and have our rubber piece just a hair longer and just a hair than this outer sleeve, and then we're going to do a fender washer on the bottom. So you'll drop your bolt into a fender washer on the bottom, and the bolt and everything will tighten down on our sleeve to the fender washer. Of course, this has a top lip, and that'll keep that rubber piece inside of this outer sleeve, but it won't be mashing it in there. So it'll be a nice little rubber isolator. So the first thing we need to do is start marking this piece and get it cut down. Our fender washers here, they're 2-inch outer diameter, same as our outer sleeve. That's a 3/8 hole, and I actually made a mistake. I went and got hardware that's 1/2 inch, and I forgot these inner sleeves are 5/8. You can get these, when you buy these bushings though, you can get them 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8. I just forgot that I had the 5/8. So I'll have to get a bigger bolt and step this out to 5/8 instead of 1/2 inch. But for now, we're gonna do it to 1/2 inch so I can finish showing y'all what I'm doing here. Go get those Harbor Freight specials. When you get those things on sale, they're a pretty good deal. They work really good, actually. I use the crap out of them. So that's gonna hide the edge that we had to cut. And as you see right there, we're flush, just perfect. All right, knock that sleeve in there. It's coming out the bottom just a hair. Like we said, it's actually sunk in a hair. I need to tap this back the other way. All right, so let me show you just kind of example of why I thought of this and kind of how I picture it being. So I have two little gussets here. You see where that line is? So picture we cut those off where you can take this metal sleeve and be able to weld it right there. And maybe you can kind of picture what that would look like if those were cut off and welded there. Be a nice little gusset design. But you'd have that sticking out, and then obviously this stuff in there where whatever your body mount may be, whether it's a tab coming off kind of like that then had a gusset, or you know, however shape need be, you could sit down on that, be able to put your bolt and washer, take your fender washer that's going to match up to that sleeve, and tighten that baby down. Again, have something like that welded off there, and now you got a nice little rubber bushing isolator there. I'm actually going to take this one back apart. I have this nice little aluminum set of bushings you can get from Jason Thorbecke also that go in the ends, and then they have different size washers that slide down in there depending on if you're using 1/2 inch, 9/16 or 5/8. So these are nice for welding. You don't have to worry about melting the rubber bushing. So still hot. So that's it for this quick little video. Like I said, I haven't used these before. It's just an idea I had, but I'm gonna take two of them and mount them on the front of this thing to get the front clip. So hopefully it'll help someone out. If you guys enjoyed what you've seen, you want to check out some of the other videos, please check out the channel. I appreciate it. For you guys who always come back, if you're watching this one, you're gonna see the same stuff in the other one. So I appreciate you guys watching anyways. As always, if you want to help me out, all you gotta do is like the video, drop a comment down below, subscribe. All those things help the channel grow, so I appreciate it when you guys do that. If you're on Instagram, I'm on there at Puddin's Fab Shop, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, sitting on your ass won't finish your project. I'll see you guys next time.